Testing Kwababa, season 3, episode 3, Clary for the Nanas. It's been a long time since I watched this nigga, chat. It's been a long time.
Uyazi tanga uphatha nuts phuthu butter like gqobisa irama phezulu peanut butter ngithola kuba ikhatha parts ngithola yangibamba key ama Kimbo style ngibamba okay la uyazi golden tangam
Golden.
What the fuck is that intro? Who's Butternut? Your name is not Butternut. I was talking about Butternut. It's not on your ID, dog. Stop giving your niggas names thinking it's gonna look cool. It's not.
golden dick.
Makolite. So my brother, I have a question. How often do you talk to Hans?
Yo cha ngibuzani. How often do I talk to Hans? Like I'm often ngithola then Hans they want to be often with me ngithola. So me often is every day pa.
What the fuck is this nigga talking about? But let's see. He said it's often, so let's
It's every day. I talk to Hans every day, even I'm sleeping. I say hello baby njani. Alright, yakuthanda ngithola emaphupheni ngibamba tanga. Like hello ladies.
Please come here. Please hold it, my brother. Do your thing, let's share the mic, ne?
Wow. Wanginika yena hello Slender.
Hi.
Unjani? Wahleka ngathi ufuna ukuphuma endleleni kanje nje. Yini ngiyenzani?
Next.
Yes, simuhlazi.
Yabo.
Shayithena round ngakho ngencane. Hayibo, umuntu akuyazi ukuthi mina nawe siyakhuluma manje sibhizi.
Surely sekayazi.
Sholi ne?
Yeah.
Ngoba vele ngifimasa ngikhohlwa vele ngiyazikela ukuthi abheka nyababa like. So ambabi ngayi.
what I've seen, chat. Confident is key, chat. Even if you don't have raise, but if you're confident, chat, you can say whatever you want, and she might. She.
You know myself, eh? Ngizela phela manje ngala ne. Ngicela uche ukuthi mina awuthaka ina mali ba. Ayikholanga furulothise mawuzalo. Imenkunu asile manje wena mongathisa mina nami mengithisa wena yo. Bese sibayibhuna ngithola. Kuba sensational ngithola bam. Kuba Hollywood ngibamba wena nje. Maye wena uthi ngale ndaba le.
Hey, mina ngeliye imali Brian.
Awu imali ufuna yini kanti ufuna umthondo?
Hayi umthondo it's the last thing to think about and
Ufunani?
hayi uthando.
Uthando?
Yeah.
Uthando mina ngimazi uthando. Uthando, ugrand Thando. Hayi uthanda kanjanga hayi uthanda ngimaba akekho uthando la. Maye wena uthini?
Akekho uthando ngothando boss mina.
Uthando ni?
Hey.
Oh sorry bengazi. Eish man manje bheka thana ngicela ngithando lakho nami ngizokwazi ukuthi sasa ukuthi mina nawe sibe mapaliyosa sibe supermanis. Afuni peanut butter. Lunch bar le nto mos.
Ngidle lunch bar.
Tadi lo mntana usilehe lona ntanga.
My brother, how did it go?
This nigga's crazy, shit. I said, ufuna imali? Okay, ufuna umthondo. Oh, okay, I'm not playing the peanut butter. What?
Uyancintshana. Uthi mina ngifaka ipassword. Manje into ezikanje mina ngiyazi ngithola ngiyazi flasha ngithola I flash the system ngithola ngifake new software ngibamba key. Uyafana ne-iPhone kimi ngithola pa. Kanjani mami? Ngizongicela ke. iPhone ile Apple eliphelele kusile lunyiwe.
My check ayikho ephelele khona elunyiwe.
Nayi phela isaphelele kanti salunyiwe lapho. Oh, Aisha now you still there now. Yeah. Aisha. Nanas.
Shout out to you, ne?
Nah, this nigga is freak. I'm sure he has a YouTube channel or something. Because he's about to promote something.
Mina ngugolden ngithola phuthu butter, cutter, bega, Kimbo style ngithola. Awusabathi imhlwela maka home butter utawuniletha.
Hey. Ayo Bafetsi. Ayo man, and I'm here with
Sabelo.
Dog, what are you doing?
Sabelo.
Oh. So Sabelo, dog, how often do you talk to Hans?
Many years.
Many like Sabelo, okay, he's wearing the Zulu hoodie, the Zulu t-shirt, which is a double t-shirt. And why are his eyes
Yes,
red?
many years.
No, they're not red, they're brown.
What?
Many years I've been speaking, I've been wanting to do that because I have a feeling for the person that I love, you see.
You already have someone you love?
Yeah.
Who?
Any girl, you see, but that beautiful girl, you see.
Is this,
My
is this nigga right, chat? What is he talking about? Is he smoking? What is it?
Did you smoke?
I didn't smoke.
You sure you don't smoke weed?
I don't smoke weed.
Oh, you seem high, my brother. Okay, my sister, please come here. My brother, what's your name again?
Oh, fine shit. Oh, fine shit. Oh, fine shit. Chat. Fine shit. Nigga don't deserve. Oh, fine shit. She fine shit, chat. Top 2, not 2, no cap.
No, ma.
Okay, my brother, this is Norman, eh? So, boy, please do your thing. Please hold the mic and talk to her, ne? Yeah. Ne?
Hello, Noma.
Hello, yaphila.
Yeah, I'm sharp, Noma.
Ngiyaphila nami. Ubani ngegama?
Mina igama usabelo.
Ngawusheka.
Angisheki.
Kami kenzakalani?
Ngoba ngibona umuntu omuhle njengawe.
Ngiyabonga. Uthi indaba yakho?
Mina ngithi mfethu ngiyacaka ukubona mfethu ngikokubuza mfethu ngicela ukutshela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Good for you.
Oh, hell no. They said good for you. This nigga said, can I tell you I love you? Tell I love you. What? Nah, put the fries in the bag, chat. Nah, actually put it in the bin. Put this in a bin, chat.
Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi yena uNoma uhlala ngakuphi?
Ngapha esnifu.
Esniva. Kweliphi side?
Ngale ngasensi2.
NC2.
Yes.
Okay. Ngingamind ukuthi ngikushayile iround ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi nathi sisazane kancane.
Ngiyamind.
Ngesiphi isikhathi?
Ngiyaminda.
Okay.
Meaning akufuni.
Oh, awufuni.
Why is she fighting? Why is fine shit fighting? She mustn't fight, like, you know, she fine and she mustn't fight. Tell her what's okay, my brother, I'm not interested in you. I said, I'm mindy. Damn, bitch.
Okay. Ngoba vele angeke ngibe nestress yabo.
Qedile ngithi.
I want to ask, ne, like, why did you reject him? What's happening? Okay, what happened?
Asi-type man, ngiyatatazela.
What makes him not your type?
Angihadli like udark and umove. Angazisamesha kanjalo or like umove yabo.
They
Show people your eyes
brown.
there. Come.
Oh.
You're not high, my brother.
Nah, I think he's like this. I don't think he's high. I think he's just like that.
My man, I'm not high. My man, I'm not high. My man, I'm not high.
So, okay. So that's the only reason.
Yeah.
Rate him out of 10.
2.
Dog, 2 is a good number. You know that, ne?
Yeah, I know it, my friend.
So, listen, what you think about her?
I think about H2.
Ish.
Is a beautiful girl.
Ish. She's a beautiful girl. No cap, she fine shit. I don't know what I'll do also in front of her. I'll be like, oh, sure. God, if you see this, man, call me, chat.
But if she never rejects me, I will have a good day with him. But
Him?
I hope that with that guy he have, he must be good for her.
Fair.
You see, because even her is my type. You see,
Rates out of 10.
10 out of 10 for her. But she looks so beautiful. Yeah.
Maracho, give him a chance. Alright?
Queer.
Guys, it happened, but I'm sorry, ne, dog. Shut up, ne. Stop smoking. You must stop smoking.
Oh, man. But at least you got rejected by fine shit, man. It's better to get rejected by fine shit than, you know. Right now, I'm also looking like, I don't know, man. I'm getting a lot of pimples, but I'm dealing with it. When they're all gone, ooh, going back to my prime, bro. You know Ankara Messi. You know how that nigga was moving. I don't want to spoil it.
Smoking weed, brother.
Yeah, I will stop.
Yeah. Away, bro. Kiki. Boom, 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 boom. Ayo, my fan too. Ayo, man. It's your boy, 30 for the Niners. The scintillating, most fascinating, such a follow boy. We are back again, guys. I know. Type shit. Yeah, so guys, I know you guys missed the testing Guababa videos, but we are here right now. Understand? So guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, and join the team. And today I am not alone, bro. I'm with the finest colored mommy. She has all red. So my sister, please come here.
You know we love colored mummies.
So I'm here.
You know we love colored mummies. You know we love colored mummies. Oh, come here, color.
With
Robin.
Robin. Guys, you remember Robin?
Ah, yang seko.
Marakot man, you said you get high.
Angi seko.
Robin, how do you feel about today's video?
I feel good. Hopefully today we have a better chance, you know?
Better chance. Nah.
Because the last time I...
The last time
No, it wasn't.
Angi Seko. Ayo, Buffetti. Ayo, one time, and I'm here with...
Mikalo.
Oh, Mikalo. So, Mikalo, how often do you talk to Hans?
Me, I don't talk to Hans, bro. Hans talk with me.
They talk with you?
Yeah.
Oh.
They say talk to a man who wants you, chat. They talk to him. He's him. So, but we want to see his game. Like, you can talk, but there's no game. You want to see your game.
Okay. There's only one. Please come here, my brother, knowledge. Come now, come here, my sister, please come here. Oh, they say they talk to you, ne? Here's the mic, then. Share it, ne, boy.
Fuck.
I'm sorry.
Yo. Hi.
Hello.
Grand.
I'm good, and you?
Namang sharp. Manje before siyagu tabo. Ichapya kumutonja.
I don't have a type. I like what I see.
Oh, banika.
I feel like if you say you have a type, chat, like, I also like what I see, chat. Like, if you're not, I don't know why I'm talking about me. Okay, I'm boring now.
Robin. You?
Robin Island. Robin like Robin Island. Oh. Robin.
Robin.
Like Robin.
Yeah.
Me,
You are?
Mikalo.
Mikalo.
Yeah. Oh, Uti, now on that type. Why you want that type?
I like what I see. Do you?
Nigga, why are you putting yourself in a corner? If she says she doesn't have a type, that means you might be her type. Yo, Mikalo, don't do this to me, bro. Please. It's gonna be Batman and Robin.
Have a type?
Yeah.
Who's your type? Or what is your type?
I like chubby things, you know. Yeah, chubby nanas.
Because, nah, put the fries in a bag. She said, who's your type? This nigga could have said, I like red hairs. I like a colored mommy, you know. They said, who's that? It's you.
Shoot now, are you as into phone I like thing?
No, it's not about that. It's about you can have a type, you know, but your type is still, you guys still can't, or you won't make it out, or things won't work out, you know. So I think it's about you only live once and you should go for who you like at that point in time.
It's you. So now out.
No.
Oh no. How big now? What about outside?
I don't know. Do you think you can?
Yeah, I do. I was yellow skin, yeah, boy.
But I said you like chubby things.
Yeah, because obviously yellow, yeah.
Share the mic.
Because yellow. Abo. Ang nga naman dapat njengama.
Oh, so you like yellow bones?
Yeah, yellow bones.
Okay.
Mo pili nga ba sa ako?
To be honest, no.
No, why? Why? Why?
She doesn't have a reason, and this nigga, he put himself in a corner, chat. Why you keep on asking a question? Tell her about what you want, dog. And then maybe you might be a type. Nah, chat, I'm too tapped in. I don't know what's happening. It's like, you know those dating gurus, niggas. They be telling you, do this. It's like, I'm that guy now. Like, I don't know, man. Let's change.
I don't know. What is the hair color? Why did you dye your hair that color?
You got, she knows I'm
But you're handsome though, very.
So,
But I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
What are you okay with?
He's very handsome, you know, but it's not my type.
You don't like what you see?
No.
Huh?
No.
Maruta kana type.
You said you don't have a type.
Yeah, but I don't like what I see. Ne?
Oh.
But you know
He knows what?
how we are friends. He knows, like, hi, good.
Oh, you guys met before? Come here. Eh?
Before, yeah.
So now, how does it make you feel? Yeah?
Like kanjani?
Like, how does it make you feel?
Like lento aqeda uyisho ri.
Yeah.
Obviously kancane bo. Thintekile kancane.
Oh, I know flops hard in Tana. You win some, you lose some.
Yeah.
So guys, hopefully we help her find her match. So guys, let's go to the next person.
Dog. He is your type, my sister. Don't lie. He is your type. You just didn't want to be with him. Just say that. Or you just wanted to make a reason. Or you just wanted to reject him. Maybe just for the video. Because he is your type. You said he looks now, but he's not your type. And let me just keep going.
Ayo, Buffetti, ayo, and I'm here with.
Ayo Buffett, ayo wet. Ayo Buffett, ayo wet.
Khotpan. I am saying I'm here with.
Somebody come and look at this.
Uthini man?
Eh?
Uthini mfethu? Ufuna umbuzo uthini kanti wena?
Bheka nginobani?
Ngawe nami manje.
Ubani igama lakho?
Usiyabonga.
Oh, Siyabonga. So Siyabonga, I have a question.
Chat, I have to tell you, please, gents, go get education. Please go get education and know how to speak English. Just basic. That shit will help you in life, chat. Just saying.
Uyakhuluma namantombazane.
Yebo ngiyakhuluma na.
But how often do you talk to them?
Siyakhuluma ngezothando, siyakhuluma ngezokuphila emhlabeni.
No, bheka, how often do you talk to them?
Awukhasele ngesizulu.
Okay, ukhuluma namantombazane kangakanani?
Ayi, kakhulu mfethu ngoba siphila nabo abantu emhlabeni. Ezothi
He's literally, the background is a battle storm. So you know he talks to like gang girls, but it's those ones with those ones who like
thando sikhuluma nabo, angeke ngisho ukuthi kangakanani. Every day hlale sikhuluma.
Ne. Okay, Robin, please come here. Bheka ne. Na intombazane ne. Ntombela. Ushare mic ne. Ukhulume naye ne.
Sawubona sis.
Yebo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani sis?
you can't do Unk like that, though. You can't put Unk under pressure, dog. You can't put Unk under pressure.
Good and you? I'm good, thanks.
Mina ngisiyabonga igama lami.
Robin.
Robin. Mina ngingusiyabonga ngicela ungithande sis.
Hi bo. Kanjani?
Please love me, Robin. Please, Robin. Please, it's gonna make me feel good. Yeah, Unk, go get another black label, though. No offense.
Ngekondlela ome ngayo ngaba nguye umfazi engimkhethile.
Are you getting me? Are you choosing me?
Yonke into onayo yile engiyithandayo kuwe.
Damn, it's sad to see someone's uncle go out like that. It's sad to see someone's uncle go out like that.
Alright, my brother. Thank you, ne?
So,
but I secret now. Okay.
ufai. Angeke unginike chance. Why?
Hi. Kuning, it's a lot.
Okay.
Nah, she said it's a lot. No, that's crazy. What do you mean it's a lot? Uncle looks good.
Shooting is time. Uyobuya ucabanga mhla.
Okay, no problem.
Uzongaya chance ngelinye la. Ngeke unginike nama number phone wakho. Hayi, ukufisela inhlahla la ukhona manje.
What does that mean? Like luck, ne?
Ya ngifisela inhlanhla enhle kulabo baba oyothi mhlambi umamkele uyobe ethole umfazi oqotho njengami ngoba bengikukhethile uthi nawe mawuhamba estradweni bakhona.
Damn, my uncle really wants that. He really wants that, chat. He wants to hit. Uncle really wants to hit, chat. He's not even playing a Kobaba tester. He doesn't even know what's that. He genuinely wants to hit.
Baba bakubhekile.
Really, but me, I'm fine with you. Yeah.
Thank you, mama. Next time, Mari.
No problem, ne?
So my brother, what you think about her, my brother?
Umama imbokotho right mfethu. Yiseke noma ke ngakuvumanga ngikushoyo kodwa ke angeke ngimblame. I-choice yakhe uyabo. Next time ukhona azomthola mthandi. Mawukuthi akanayo, mayinaye aqhubeke ahlale naye. Lo muntu.
Okay, rates out of 10. Rates out of 10.
Umama ngathi umama angaba yi-50% kwimbokotho engiyibonayo.
50%?
Yeah.
How?
Kwelami side angazi
What is bro talking about? They said rate her out of 10. Talking about 50% in Bogoto. What do you mean she's 50% in Bogoto?
umunye mina ngimbona kuma engumuntu alright, so akanginiki ke chance, so angeke ngimplay. Ngizohlala vele ngimthanda noma enganginikanga chance.
Why isn't he your type?
He's very old.
You don't like old guys?
No.
Why?
He could be my father, you know. But I sharp, ne?
Next time.
Damn. That one hurt, shit. This one hurts. Damn, man. Damn. Man, Nani. How it goes down. How it goes down. It's sad, but it goes down, man. What can you say? People's uncle are, man. People's uncles. Someone's uncle was, man. Oh, man, Paul. Why is this video coming on? Nah, man, this shit's sad. Yo, someone's uncle. It happens, man. He's gonna go from it and just be a better person after all, you know. And yeah, man, make sure you hit that sub button. Yeah, see y'all niggas soon.